Alright, guys. Sorry about that. Sorry for the wait. I passed out earlier. But here we go. We are live. We have a local time of 1:02 a.m. 1:02 a.m. Central Standard Time. We do show live. We have our list here. Looks like there's 35 names on this list. 35 entries. Newman's 98 9.0. 102 here, 102. Alright. We're going to go ahead and we're going to roll this dice. 3 dice rule. Verified video. Here we go. Here we go. 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the next round wins. Good luck. And your winner is spot 28. Broeam. Brown. Alright, guys. Congratulations to the winner. We've gone 9 times. It showed 9 here. We have a local time of 103, 103. And our random showed 103. We got it done. Congratulations. Please send Jeff a message.